Hey, what's up, guys? This is Sean DeBlay back with you. Thanks for tuning into the channel. We got 2 quick pieces to put on to the WRX. Just the Radiator Shroud from Grimmspeed and then the Pulley cover from Grimmspeed as well. I got it in wrinkle red, but they have an assortment of colors, other colors that you can get. I think it's black and white, I want to say, and maybe blue. I can't remember. But I got the red to kind of color match with what I'm going to do with the car. So these are pretty quick. Once you get the pop clips up from the front part near the radiator, you're going to pop the coolant around, and the pulley cover is pretty quick. It's just the 2 quick bolts. So we'll go ahead and do that real quick. Alright, so the pulley cover is pretty easy. It's going to be these 2 hex bolts. You're just going to line them up and then bolt them in. Use the spacers they provide. The radiator shroud, you're going to unscrew the 4 10mm bolts that are lined up for the stock one. And then you're going to do these other 2 10mm. So there's 6 10mm bolts in total. And you're going to reuse them, line this up, and bolt them in. So it's a quick install. Overall, it should take about maybe 10 minutes. It takes longer to take the old stuff off than putting the new stuff on. So, alright, that's it. All you got to do is lift up this part and tuck the radiator shroud right inside. You're going to put your the bumper rubber piece back on top and then re-bolt them down and then tighten everything up, and that's it. And it's pretty easy. Should take about 15 minutes to do everything. And it makes the engine bay look a lot cleaner because the FA20s are not the nicest of looking engines. But that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace out.